I'm learning new things too. I'm learning how to make coconut milk. I've got a recipe and some coconuts, and Uncle Charles is going to show us his way too. Hi, Uncle Charles.
Hi, Rachel. Wow, look at all these coconuts. Look, when I was a young fella, I used to help my mum make coconut milk. My job was to husk the coconuts, split them, and then shred them. And we used a tool like this, and we called it a madu.
Ah.
And this is how we did it. Okay.
Wow. That is very cool. Now, I've shredded some coconut too, but I've been using this grater, and I'm going to shred a little bit more. Are you grating too? Grate, 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 grating. Grate, 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 grating. Grating here, grating there, grating everywhere. Yeah, last little bits. Okay, I'll add that in. Yeah. Now, the recipe says we need to put shredded coconut into the blender. So I'm going to do that and add some water. Oh, there.
Wow.
Okay, now, this might get a bit noisy, be a bit loud, but let's see. Looks pretty good.
Wow. Now that it's all nice and milky, we now have to squeeze it into a bowl.
Ah, well, the recipe says I need to use a cloth to do that.
Yeah, I'm going to do it how my mother showed me. And when I was growing up, she would squeeze it all by hand. Yes. Ah, let me bring over the strainer.
Okay, let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Pour, pour, pour. How is yours looking?
Squeeze all the milk out.
Oh, wow. Are you squeezing too? Squeeze, 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 squeezing. Squeeze, 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 squeezing. Squeezing here, squeezing there, squeezing everywhere. Oh, there. How's your coconut milk looking, Uncle Charles?
Looks like it can be poured into a jug now.
Oh, wow. Okay, well, I have a jug. Here we go. Pour this in. Ooh. And now pour this in. Delicious. Look at all that coconut milk.
Now, all this pulp doesn't go to waste.
Oh.
No. You can put it into your garden for compost, or you can feed the chickens, or you can even make a muffin out of it.
Oh, yum. Yeah, I might make some muffins later. And what can we do with the coconut milk?
Well, you can make yogurt with it, or you can make a coconut smoothie. But home in the Torres Strait, we have sop. Yes, and it has sweet potato, it has taro, it has pumpkin, and all cooked in.
Yum! I'd love to try sop one day. Do you have coconut trees where you live?
Wow, that was super fun. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Subscribe to ABC Kids for more Play School content or head over to ABC iView for full Play School episodes.